Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is linear equation in one variable. In this exercise 2.2, some of the questions we have discussed, means the questions up to 8. In this exercise, first of all we are supposed to read the question carefully, and we are supposed to use the information given in that question to frame a linear equation in one variable. That is the first part, to construct the linear equation in one variable, and the second part is to solve that linear equation to find the answer. Now in this question number 9, the question number 9 states the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. The ratio of the ages of Rahul, ratio age of Harun, that is given, that is 5:7. So afterwards it is given 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56 years, find their present ages. So this is the ratio of the present ages. So let the present age of Rahul be 5x years and age of Harun be 7x years. Present age, this is the present age. Present age of Rahul and Harun. So according to question, the sum of their ages 4 years later. 4 years later the age of Rahul will be 5x plus 4, and 4 years later the age of Harun will be 7x plus 4. So these are the ages of Rahul and Harun after 4 years. According to a question, after 4 years the sum of their ages will be equals to 56. So sum of their ages will be equals to 56. Now we are supposed to open that brackets. So we will get 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equals to 56. 7x plus 5x 12x plus 4 plus 4 8 is equals to 56. So till now we have completed our first part of that question. Means first part means how to frame the linear equation. Now we got the linear equation. Why this equation is linear? Because the power of the variable, that is x, is 1, and we are having the sign of equality as well, and we are having only one variable, one symbol. So this is our linear equation in one variable. Now we are supposed to solve that. How to solve? By the method of transposition. Means we will transfer the constant terms from left hand side to the right hand side. So here we will keep 12x and we will transfer plus 8. So after transferring from left hand side to right hand side, plus 8 will become minus 8. So 56 minus 8. So we will get 12x is equals to 48, and from here we will get x is equals to 48 upon 12. 12 1 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. So x is 4. Now the present age of Rahul is 5x, means 5 into 4, that is 20 years, and present age of Harun, that is 7x, means 7 into 4, that is 28 years. So that is our answer. So afterwards we are supposed to verify, we are supposed to check whether our answer is correct or not. So for verification, this is their present age after 4 years. Now the age of Rahul is 20. After 4 years it will become 24, and the age of Arun is 28. After 4 years it will become 32. We can add that 4 plus 2, that is 6, and 3 plus 2, that is 5. So the sum of their ages after 4 years will be 56. That is right as given in the question. So like this we can proceed the questions given in the exercise, that is 2.2. but you are supposed to, at least you are supposed to try, because without unless or until you will try, you will not find any kind of doubts. At the same time we will try to take one more question. The next question: the number of boys and girls in a class are in ratio 7:5. If the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls, find the total class strength. So next question. Question number 10. The ratio is given of boys to girls, that is 7:5. Boys ratio girls, that is 7:5. Let the number of boys be 7x. According to ratio we are supposed to assume, and the number of girls be 5x. Now according to question, seven x and 5x, these are boys, these are girls. According to the question, the number of boys is 8 more than the girls. Now this is 8 more, means this is 8 less. So if we add here plus 8, then the number will be equal. So this is the linear equation in one variable. How the linear equation is there? The power is 1, equality is there, and only one variable is there. Now we are supposed to sort it out. So 7x x terms we are supposed to collect on the one side, and the remaining we are supposed to keep in one side. 7x minus 5x, 2x is equals to 8, x is equals to 8 by 2, and from here we can get 2 4 ja 8. The value of x is 4. So the number of boys is equals to 7x, that is 7 into 4, that is 28, and girls is equals to 5x, that is 5 into 4, that is 20. Total strength means the total strength, that will be equals to, we will add both, we will get 48, and from here we can see clearly the strength of the girls is 8 less than that of the boys as given in the question. At the same time we can find the ratio of the boys to girls. We can find the ratio, that is 28 is to 20. We can reduce to the lowest form. So 28 and 20 comes in the table of 4, 4 7 is 28, 4 5 is 20. So the ratio is 7:5, and the number of boys are 8 more than that of girls. So here both the conditions have been satisfied, hence we can say that our answer is right. So like this you are supposed to proceed the remaining questions of this exercise today only, and after completing the questions you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing the homework on the daily basis as well as correctly. At the same time, if you have not purchased the textbooks, so you are supposed to purchase now only, because as you can see now we are proceeding according to your books only, chapter wise, exercise wise. We are trying to help you we are trying to guide you so that you can use this time up to the maximum limits, because you are having a plenty of time, so you can utilize this time into your academics. And how you can utilize, how you can solve the questions when your basics are clear. So watch the videos on the daily basis and arrange the books and start practicing the questions what we are discussing here, as well as the questions which we are asking you to practice today only. Today we are asking that you are supposed to at least try the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you very much.